So I'm at 24/7 and I'm having a burger, and as you can see it's like really reasonably priced. It's just 45 bucks and I can't wait to taste my burger. And I ordered something known as Danish from Continental Coffee, and I'll take it. Yeah, okay. So this is how the Danish looks. It's something new really. Yeah, so this looks nice and we'll be here. Okay, this is mine. And bubbly, you found it?
Bubbly is not there.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I'll take a look at it. So yeah, this is how it is, and if you were to look at the price range, it's all very reasonable. So I highly recommend this place here, 24/7. This is at the Durgam metro station, and you get vada pav also for 30 bucks. It's just the most satisfying snack there can be.